Welcome and thank you for taking this course. In this course, you'll be learning how to make a REST API using Spring Boot. You will learn what the Spring Framework is, what Spring Boot is, what Spring MVC is. You'll also learn how to set up and install a MySQL server, and you will learn how to build a simple REST API using Spring MVC. You will not learn any front-end development in this course. I will not be going over any Angular or React or any front-end development, period. So no JavaScript. This is all purely back-end. Also, I will not be teaching you the Java language. You will need to come in with that knowledge. I will not be teaching you SQL. However, all of the SQL commands that we use in this course will be shown to you. So you don't need to necessarily know SQL, but you will definitely be better off if you did know SQL, so you could actually know what's going on. Also, I will not be using Windows. I will be using Linux, and I will let you know why in a later video. As I just said, these are the things that you should know: the Java language, SQL, and also a couple of basic Linux commands. The SQL and the Linux commands are in the same boat. You don't necessarily need to know these, but it's better off if you did, so you can actually understand what's going on. But I will be showing you those commands during the course. As far as the course outline goes, we will start off. I will explain about Spring and Spring Boot, why we use it, what it is. Then I will go into why I personally use Linux. And then we'll go into installing our MySQL database. Next up, we'll head into making a simple REST API. Then we'll go into installing Postman. Postman is what we will use to call our REST API. Since we're not making an actual front-end application that will do that, we will use Postman to call those APIs. Next, I will show you how to add documentation the easy way. And then we will add basic authentication to the simple REST application. After that, I will show you how to install Tomcat and set up the Tomcat server. Tomcat is just a web server that will allow us to deploy and run our applications. Then I will show you how to actually build and deploy the application to Tomcat. Then we'll head into a couple of more advanced topics such as Spring AOP, changing application properties, some logging, Spring Actuator, and as a bonus, I will throw in JWT authentication. That is all for the introduction, and I will see you guys on the inside.